how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on WhatsApp. Let's dive right in. Open up your WhatsApp, go to settings on the bottom right, and then you'll need to go to privacy and then scroll down, tap on contacts. There you'll see blocked, tap on it. And then now to unblock a contact, tap on edit option in the top right. And then tap on the minus icon and tap on unblock. So there you go. It's as simple as that to unblock someone on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.